Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for January 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, let's see, Libra, what's up with you ngayong second half ng January. So, you have the first house, Virgo, and Moon. Moon in the first. Okay. So, maaring yung iba nagkakaroon kayo ng self-criticism. Yung tipong, ang tawag ba doon? Parang minsan ikaw mismo ang nagsasabotahe sa sarili mo or sometimes you feel like you're not good enough, no? Yung parang naisip mo na, hindi ko kaya to or ganito lang yung kaya mong gawin. Wag ganon, no? The moon is also about you being very emotional. So, pwedeng around this time, niisip mo kung bakit parang may frustration dito, no? Kung bakit hindi mo nakukuha yung gusto mo or kung bakit marami kang gustong baguhin sa sarili mo but sometimes it's frustrating kasi hindi mo kayang gawin yung changes na yon right away. So, take your time and syempre, gumawa ka rin ng action kung gusto mong may baguhin sa sarili mo. Especially in your health, yung condition mo, if you want to have a healthier lifestyle. So, minsan ang hirap talagang gawin yun dahil meron tayong mga kailangang i-let go, meron tayong mga kailangang mga sacrifices, but rest assured that it's going to be worth it kung talagang dedicated ka, determinado ka. Okay? Let's see what else for Libra. You have the Justice card. So, this is your energy. This is bringing balance into your life. I'm hearing balanced diet. Kaya, lalo na kung yan yung isa sa struggle mo, yung weight mo, or yung health mo. So, pay attention to your health. Yung second half ng January. This is also clarity about which path you want to take. The Emperor is about being in control of your life, no? Na ikaw yung may hawak ng kapalaran mo kung saan mo dadalhin yan. And the Emperor is also about discipline. So, malaking bagay yung disiplina mo sa sarili mo para ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo. You also have the Three of Pentacles. So, there's growth in your finances, especially kung ikaw ay collaborate or you will work with others, you will share your knowledge, your skills with others. Pwedeng sa trabaho, meron kang mga makakasama sa project or sa business, meron kang business partnership na gagawin or collaboration wherein magkukonsulta ka sa ibang tao tungkol sa ideas mo, kung pwede mong gawin yun or sa produkto na gusto mong i-manufacture or sa services na gusto mong i-offer. You have the Ace of Pentacles because there is a new beginning in terms of career or business na gusto mong gawin. So, talagang ini-improve mo yung sarili mo. You want to be the best version of yourself. Also have the Eight of Cups. So, definitely, you are leaving a situation na sa tingin mo hindi na nag-a-align sa goals mo, hindi na nag-a-align sa mga pangarap mo. But it doesn't mean na aalis ka doon dahil wala tong nagawang mabuti sa buhay mo. But it's because you want growth. Gusto mong mas umunlad pa. And minsan yung growth na yan, kailangan nating umalis sa ating comfort zone. So that's what I'm seeing for you. You are leaving your comfort zone para mag-explore ng iba mo pang kakayanan, abilities. You have the Moon in Libra in the 7th house. Moon in Libra. Moon in the 7th. 7th is relationships, connections, companionship. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will have very close connections sa isang tao. Pwede itong asawa mo, business partner, that will really help you na ma-improve yung iyong living situation. You have Mars in Capricorn in the 10th house. Mars in the 10th house. Someone, a person in authority. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, you are going to assume a position, a leadership role. Pwedeng merong leadership role for you na mag-open. So, parang new beginnings yan sa inyo. New experience. New career. You also have Moon in Cancer in the 4th house. I also see you spending more time with your family, especially your parents, no? Kung hindi kayo masyadong nagbobonding ng family mo with your parents. So, you will also be there for them. You also have the Sun in Cancer in the 4th house, resourcefulness. So, yung mga needs mo, yung mga kailangan mo, kaya mong i-provide para sa sarili mo, para sa family mo. And minsan iniisip natin na, hindi ko kaya, na parang may kulang. Actually, kaya mo. With all the resources that you have right now, kaya mo pang i-multiply yan. Kailangan mo lang maging creative, no? Kung paano mo gagawin yon. Minsan kasi, hindi lang tayo nagiging creative dahil may mga restrictions tayo or may mga limitations tayong sineset sa sarili natin na yung iba nahihiya, no? Example, may opportunity ka na magtinda pero hindi ka nagtitinda kasi iniisip mo baka nakakahiya pag nakita ka ng kilala mo na nagtitinda ka. So, isipin mo, ano ba yung magiging epekto nun sa buhay mo? Makakatulong ba yun sa'yo? Kasi kung yes, bakit kailangan mong isipin yung sasabihin ng ibang tao? 'Di ba? You have safe travel. So, if you're traveling to some places ngayong second half ng January, especially by boat, by cruise ship, no? Kung magku-cruise ship kayo, or kayo ay seafarer, ayan, merong safe travel kayo. Or kahit anong travel. You also have creativity. So, ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. You will tap into your creative talents, creative skills, and who knows, no? Diyan ka na pala umunlad. Diyan mo pala makikita yung iyong passion, yung iyong destiny. Ayan. So, harmony. So, with Justice card and harmony, kasi halos pareho yung energy niyan. This is bringing balance into your life. Kung dati masyado kang very, very, very busy sa ibang bagay, doon ka na lang nakafocus, magbibigay ka na rin ng attention sa ibang bagay para naman mabalanse mo yung oras at panahon mo at walang mag-suffer. So, sa money, career, finances, meron kang magandang idea, no? Na dapat mong gawin sa career, sa business mo. This can be sa business. Ang importante rito kung gaano ka determinado na gawin yon. Kasi ang idea, idea lang siya, thought lang siya, unless gumawa ka ng action towards it para maisakatuparan mo siya into a reality. You have the 9 of Swords. Some of you are overthinking about situations, no? Lalo na yung idea mo for a job, for a career, or for a business. You just have to do it. Kasi hindi mo mapapansin na mabilis lang palang umandar yung oras at panahon at hindi mo namamalayan na nag-e-enjoy ka na pala sa ginagawa mo. And doon mo na pala na-fulfill yung iyong mga pangarap. So, there's a fulfillment in your career path, in your business, or in your finances. Sa love life naman, you have optimistic and secret. So, parang lumabas rin to kanina. I think yung iba sa inyo, if you're in a relationship, iiwasan nyo na isipin na merong itinatago yung person nyo sa inyo. Minsan kasi yung iba nag-overthink na, baka ganito, baka ganyan. Oo. Minsan kasi yan yung nagpapalala pa sa relationship eh. Oo. You will be optimistic, more positive pagdating sa connections mo with others. You have the 4 of Cups, then the Queen of Wands. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, maaring wala na masyadong time sa inyo yung person nyo. So, marami kayo naiisip na bakit ganon. Baka sa iba na siya may time. So, you have to be open to your person. I-communicate mo yan. Kasi baka naman talagang busy lang siya or meron siyang ibang pinagkakaabalahan, let's say para sa family nyo or para sa parents niya. So you have to be open, okay? A tranquil spirit comes with accepting inner dichotomy. Yes, itong inner dichotomy, ito yung pagkakaiba-iba, no? Maaring you are dealing with people, especially connections, romantic connections, na iba-iba yung personality, no? Yun yung parang nagko-complement sa inyo. Mas lalong nagiging strong yung bond, yung connection, kapag kaya nyong mamuhay individually, nang hindi pinapakailaman yung gusto ng bawat isa, sinusuportahan, 'di ba? So you can still be different but at the same time supportive of each other. So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.